What's up, guys? It's your boy Charming Keys, and today I did on the boat ride to go Tokyo on the beach walk with my brothers. Them. So this I would inside the boat. The try for cross the river, and this is the river. We the try for make them over now. Yes, see my brother the paddle. Yeah, that's my nigga. That's my nigga. Yeah.
We still try for make them across. On the left, I got my brother Capone. On the right, Movich. And the top front, Cody.
So yeah, we don't canoe first because the river be shallow, the water not enough for the boat. See my brother they can push the boat, and yes, me two brothers in the walk. And we the go, and we want go to have cross this river. Yeah. Hey, you know what? You know tell you like Salon fine, look landscape, beautiful landscape. This I be the pet by the view already. Damn. Then can say have fit money. Yes, I don't know what my brother and Depa. See, me captain. Oh, me captain. Yeah, tell like if the pull stick and that. Well, man, the man in done can push back the boat. Yeah, Cody. So Cody team up. Now we don't load back. See me foot inside the boat. Foot all also, of course, now inside water. I captain push the boat. There they go. Small. Kele. Over under. We dey reach there. Yes.
So finally, we don't make them across. My brother try for pull the stone. Oh, Captain Capone. This now big problem business. This why I don't left we. Look can they go? My nigga Capone. You move it. I tell you. Oh well, now go that to now what can no now get Captain Cody.
Well, now what can I end up open for you? So now, for me now, Tego, footwork, go and vibe, music they play, and then they go and talk back. Wow, I like this video, and we don't come far. Yeah, so
we still the kind of vibe. What's in this? I think a fish. What are all lefa? Oh, don't you? Nice for what you. Nice.
Daddy, watch it. Well, I'm here about master. My own fish, I want them.
Oh, log help them for the watching bar. They look Boku self. They're able to do all things. They are not full. Oh my niggas music again play. And this used to be an old bridge for connect these two islands, but water don't destroy them already. Don't boil. Yeah, still on the road. Lolly at the top. Lolly. What's in Andy? Oh, that's a bird. Okay, now we don't reach Tokyo. We're almost there in the village now. Or should I say the tongue? We don't reach the tongue now. You know the boats, see the boats and the fishing. And rain be the camp, the soak off, you see me and wow. Oh my god. Then this we don't reach inside the tongue now. We don't settle. We try to go find fish. We don't do that one with errand already. We don't can deliver the message over deliver. So sell us don't small enjoy this sweet fish here with them fisherman then catch. So can ask for fish now. So yes, the man they tell what 2 million. But you know say money not a problem. So we can buy something like 5 places. So yes. What's in this again? Okay, so this now side then they load the fish for we now because my brother Capone say he want eat pepper soup in a pepper soup. So you see on the press phone, you just wait no more now for the soup. Goody. And this thing, Movich in the pan enjoy himself. I did tell you. Anyway, it was nice anyway. Dembe Donka, no be there with red cup enough for chill pet. But see soup. Actually, rest not be there. the rest been there, but man is say log make gari, you know. So finally, na so come to an end of the journey. Thanks for watching.